Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense contains the verb form had been plus ing form. Ing form is nothing but present participle form of the verb. Let us see all the subjects here. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, singular noun, plural noun. For all these subjects we have to use had been plus ing form. Let us see the different forms of the sentence: affirmative, positive, negative and interrogative. First we take the subject I and we form the sentences. I had been eating, I had not been eating, had I been eating. So in this way you can form the sentences with the remaining subjects also. We had been eating, we had not been eating, had we been eating? You had been eating, you had not been eating, had you been eating? He had been eating, he had not been eating, had he been eating? She had been eating, she had not been eating, had she been eating? It had been eating, it had not been eating, had it been eating? They had been eating, they had not been eating, had they been eating? Rama had been eating, Rama had not been eating, had Rama been eating? Rama and Sita had been eating, Rama and Sita had not been eating, had Rama and Sita been eating? So in this way we can make affirmative, positive, negative and interrogative sentences with the different subjects, because all these subjects will take the same form of the verb had been plus ing form. There is no confusion here. It is used to show an action that had begun in the past and continued till some point of time in the past. Perfect continuous tense is always used for long period actions. Here we see these examples to understand past perfect continuous tense better. First one, I had been watching TV for an hour when my uncle came to see me. Here the long period action is had been watching. Second example, we had been playing hockey for 3 hours when it rained. Here the long period action is had been playing. Third example, they had been living in Bihar for 2 years before the earthquake occurred. Here the long period action is had been living. Here we understand that these actions begin in the past and continued for a long time and ended in the past only. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon